Looking around, you see that people have individualized skin characteristics with different types, colors, and thickness. The type of our skin is inherited like the type of our body. So no surprise that genetics are an important factor to consider when it comes to skincare. In fact, genetics are the way our cells are programmed to behave. For example, having blemish-free skin, or being prone to acne, how it responds to the sun, or how fast it ages, all are inherited. We may not be able to change the skin type completely, but the good news is that we have the ability to reprogram our cells to make them respond and behave differently. If you're asking how, the answer is by living constantly a fulfilling lifestyle. Scientists state that 10% of our body and skin type comes from our genes and 90% comes from our lifestyle. This can include what we eat, the way we deal with stress, the environment we live in, our relationships, the quality of our sleep, and so on. So if 10% of the way we look is not completely in our control, the remaining 90% is mostly what we actually do have control of. Remember, we are not completely bound to that 10%, as it can be disrupted by other factors. If you think about that for a moment, you'll see how it makes sense. If you once had genetically blemish-free skin, then it can be destroyed by smoking, eating poor quality foods, or being exposed to the sun without protection. On the other hand, a skin full of blemishes, acne, and scars can begin to shine after changing the lifestyle. Well, now that we've talked about genetics, let's look at skin types. Traditionally, the skin is categorized into 4 types: normal, dry, oily, and combination. This category is based on the amount of oil that the skin produces. Normal skin has just the right amount of oil, looks clear, and is not prone to breakouts or premature wrinkles. Oily skin looks greasy and shiny, and is because of the excess amount of oil that the sebaceous glands produce. It is also prone to acne breakouts more than other skin types, but not wrinkles, and needs extra care to keep the oil production in balance. Dry skin loses water faster than can be replaced from the underlying tissue. Therefore, it appears flaky, irritated, and older than it should. It's also prone to wrinkles more than other skin types. Take note, dry skin cannot hydrate with regular moisturizers as the dead skin layer is too thick and prevents the water from going through and reaching the living skin layers. This makes exfoliating a better choice for this skin type rather than moisturizing. Combination skin has the characteristics of both the oily skin types in the T-zones and the characteristics of the dry skin type in other parts of the face. This type of skin needs a great amount of care. Sometimes, however, aggressive cleaning or applying of the wrong products can create this combination too. This traditional skin type seems to be simplistic when it comes to having the answer to skin issues, and is why the skin behaves in this way. For example, why does a woman with a historical blemish-free skin start to have pimples at the age of 50? Another more accurate way to categorize skin is called the skin profile, and it's based on how the skin reacts to different stimuli such as stress, hormones, environment, and aging. Let's have a quick look at the skin profile categories. First, the balanced skin profile. It has the least amount of skin problems, medium-sized pores, and smooth skin tone. It doesn't have any sensitivity to hormones, stress, or the environment. This skin profile needs minimum effort to stay balanced in comparison to the other skin type. However, sun, smoking, alcohol, and poor diet can greatly affect this profile. Second, the hormonal reactive profile gets imbalanced with changes in hormones, like during a menstrual cycle. Changes in the hormones cause the skin to produce more oil in this skin profile. The excessive skin clogs the skin pores and causes acne or breakouts. Your skin has the hormonal reactive profile if your face is relatively clear and it breaks out before your menstrual cycle, if you miss the cycle without being pregnant, if you are over 30 and still dealing with the painful pimples, or you tend to break out on your chin, jawline, or neck. If there was noticeable changes on your skin when you become menopausal or during pregnancy, if you are developing some masculine features such as facial hair or a deeper voice. Third, the stress reactive profile reacts to stress more than other skin types. This profile is kind of a hormonal reactive profile, since in stressful situations hormones produce cortisone, which in turn cause the production of excess oil, acne, rosacea, and eczema. This skin profile is very sensitive to the lack of sleep, poor diet, and stressful situations. Your skin has the stress reactive profile if your skin tends to break out during times of stress, if you suffer from psoriasis, eczema, or itchiness, if you have noticed your skin worsen when you are in a stressful situation, or if lack of sleep causes pimples in your skin. Note that large and painful pimples in adulthood happen for women both with hormonal reactive and stress reactive skin profiles. Fourth, the environmental reactive profile is very sensitive to the environmental changes such as sun, humidity, computer screens, air pollution, or hot or cold weather. For this skin profile, household detergents or a particular fragrance may cause periodic allergy attacks or skin rashes. Your skin has the environmental reactive profile if you have any types of allergies, or if your skin is affected by products such as glue or reacts to perfumes, soaps, or other products, or if your skin dries, flakes, and rashes easily due to the environmental changes. Fifth and finally, the mature skin profile has thinner skin layers, small pores, rough texture, brown spots, and wrinkles. It lacks moisture and may have some photo age problems. People usually have a sense of what their skin type and profile are. What are yours? Think about that if you're not sure. Knowing your skin type and profile will help you personalize your skincare routine, change your lifestyle, take the proper care, and use the right products. For example, if you have a stress reactive profile, you need to pay extra attention to the quality of your sleep, or if you have oily skin, you shouldn't overwash your skin as it causes it to produce more oil. In the next video, you will have a self-assessment exercise for your skin. Stay tuned.